The National Library of Luxembourg is the country's main heritage, scientific and research library. Anyone over the age of 14 can borrow documents free of charge. The library moved to its new building in the Kirchberg district of Luxembourg City in 2019. Its remit includes collecting and preserving all publications produced in Luxembourg. Another is to do the same for items published abroad that are related to the Grand Duchy. The National Library's heritage collections are highly diverse. They include medieval manuscripts, early printed books, old maps, posters and prints, and even handwritten scores by Luxembourgish composers. The National Library holds more than 1.8 million printed items, about two-thirds of which come from abroad. It makes thousands of digital resources accessible free of charge 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It coordinates a network of over 88 libraries throughout Luxembourg, including the Bischofbus, a mobile library scheme which serves rural areas. It is also heavily involved in international cooperation and digital innovation. The library is also a cultural meeting place. It regularly organizes talks, exhibitions, and workshops. The National Library of Luxembourg is much more than just a place of study and research. It is a key player in the knowledge society.